Hello, everyone. This is Isaac Dawson with Vulnerability Research. Want to demonstrate a quick tool that I wrote called youcallme, which allows you to debug any problems that you're having inside of a runner by having a WebSocket connection, which send you back a shell from inside of a runner to help you debug locally. So without further ado, we're going to look at a kind of a demo project that's, let's say, it has a problem that we need to debug. In this case, it's using Alpine, which allows us to use the package that's specific for Alpine. There's a Buster image that I created as well. If there's any more that you need, let me know and I can build a custom version for you. But for the most part, those two should work. So what we're going to do is have a callback server set up on our local dev machine. The job's going to start up. It's going to call back to us and then pass us a shell. So without further ado, let's get ngrok set up. So first we need to have an ngrok tunnel set up. I'm just going to do port 999, which is the default. So you can see here that ngrok has created a forwarded HTTP server for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this in. You need to keep the WS part of the protocol and the PTY part for the path because that's where it's connected to. And before we hit OK, we need to actually start our process here. So we're going to build it first and just start youcallme. So now it's listening on our machine on port 999, which is connected to the ngrok tunnel. And then once we start this job, it should be able to call back to us and send us a shell. So that's ready to be updated. That's the correct address, commit changes. And we're going to look at the CI/CD job. So it already came, something happened. Nope, not there yet. Okay, so it's still loading. Build job. So I've found this to be extremely helpful when I'm debugging various path issues or I'm forking a process and it's using one path or my program's using a different path. Just having the interactability of the shell is super helpful. And there we go. I wasn't even paying attention. So you can see now we are inside of a runner here. We're going to do host name. What's really nice is I was able to get the, so tab completion works now, as well as VI. Right now, it's just hard-coded to an 80 by 80 column and row console or terminal. But yeah, everything pretty much works. Should be able to modify files and then save, and that's it. So hope this helps you debug some tools. Just one thing to note, you should probably kill your process if it does not exit automatically. Sometimes this will get stuck reading from the thing. So just keep an eye on your job that you should close it out when you're done.